how to hide or unhide comments on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to keep your Instagram comments private, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to easily hide or unhide comments on your post. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device and then go to your profile on the bottom right. Now, find or select the post for which you want to manage comments, tap on it and then tap on the comments. Now you'll see hide option beside reply. You just have to tap on it and tap on OK, and that's it. The comment has been hidden. Now if you want to unhide it, just tap on it again and then tap on unhide, and it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.